Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We shall be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to create your very own Google account. So let's dive right in. First step is to open your web browser. It can be a Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Chrome browser. So in the address bar right here, you type in google.com. Once you're on the Google homepage, locate and click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner. You'll be redirected to the Google sign in page. Since we are creating a new account, click on the create account right here below the sign in form. So we click create account. If you're opening the account for a minor, you can click for a child. If it's for a business, you can click for work or my business. I'm opening a personal account, so I'll click on personal use. On the create account page, you will need to fill in some information. Let's start with our first and last name. So my first name, last name. Next is to type in your username. Please note that your username will be your email address and what you will use to sign in into your Google account. So you can use your first and last name, which is this basicarello@gmail.com, or you can use any preferred username. And also right here there are some suggestions. So if you don't like what you see here, you can just easily click on any one of these. What I want to use for my username is bar2sats@gmail.com. That username is taken. Let's try another. Okay, so I will use basic arello. All right, so I'm using basicarello@gmail.com. Next is to enter a password. Make sure it is strong and secure, and you have to combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and even special characters to create your password. And please, you can write down the password in your jotter so that you can always remember it. So I will enter my password. Okay, so I will confirm the same password. All right, when you're done, you click next. All right, next is to verify a phone number. Now, Google requires a phone number to verify your account and enhance security. So enter your phone number in this space provided. Click on next. Google will send you a verification text message. So you have to open your phone and type in that 6-digit verification code for you to verify your account. I got mine, so that's my verification code. Verify. Next step is to enter your birth date. Choose the month, day, and year from the drop-down menu. If you want to have a recovery email address in case you forgot the password to this account, you can always enter right here. I will cover email address, but I will leave that blank. So I will enter my birthday, choose the month, day, year. Gender is the next step. You have the option to select male, female, rather not to say, or custom. So male, next. If you want to add your phone number to your account for use across Google services, you can click yes, I'm in. But for this video, I will skip it. You can review Google's terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, you can click on this part. Let me check on more options. You have to take time to read these policies, because these terms of service is used across Google services. So finish reading, you can click on I agree. Congratulations, you have completed the process of creating a Google account. Now you can enjoy all the benefits Google has to offer, including Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and much more, as you can see right here. So when you come right on this profile icon, you see that your account is created and good to go. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide on how to create a Google account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we shall be happy to assist you. See you in our next video.